Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy cards within the Marvel Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Snap game on your device, and once you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you will immediately be able to start enjoying your game. Now, if you wish to buy any card, then you can tap on the market option at the bottom left corner, which shows a gold bar icon. When you tap on this, you will be taken into the shop page, from which you can see the various different packages that you can purchase that are on offer within the shop. Now, if you wish to purchase any card, then you will need to find the packages that consist a card as well within these options. Just tap on the card that you are interested in, and now you will also see the other bundles that you will get along with this package. Just tap on the price that is indicated, and now you will be able to choose your payment method to make the payment in order to get your card that you just selected. If you don't already have a payment method, you can tap on add credit or debit card option to proceed forward with adding it and then finalizing your transaction. Once your transaction has been made, you will get the card reward immediately within your account. And there you have it. That is how you can buy cards within the Marvel Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.